So friends, welcome to the series of Kucoin announcements. अगला जो update है that is regarding the inspect token. इसका जो ticker है that is INSP, इसका जो name है that is inspect, and this is now getting listed on Kucoin exchange. So right now it is available on Kucoin exchange to trade upon. अगर हम इसके price की बात करें, right now it is trading at a price of $0.25, and this is the ticker that is INSP. So INSP is the ticker of this coin, and inspect is the name of this coin. You can trade on Kucoin exchange, and right now it is trading at a price of $0.25, and this is now very volatile. अगर आपको trade करना है, then you can right now trade on this coin, and this pair is now available on Kucoin exchange. You can also deposit and withdraw on this exchange using kucoin.com. So this is the details of this coin, and you can also check out the website and Twitter handle as well. So इनका website का link भी यहाँ पे available है. You can check out the Twitter handle as well. दोनों का link check out कर सकते हो for more details. And this is a layer 2 built for social media platform. So this is the main highlight of this project. You can check out the entire website over here, and this is the main Twitter handle. उनके पास अभी as of now they have 221,000 followers on the Twitter page. So this is the main update coming from Kucoin announcement regarding the inspect token, and right now you can trade, deposit and withdraw this token, and the trading pair is INSP in USDT. So that is the update, and I will provide the official link in the description box.